Okay, we've done this, and now suppose that the queue is not empty, and let's see what is going on now. Okay, so now test queue has one item, length is 1. Okay. So how can we add another item to the queue? With enqueue. So we start with this. We start with 0. And now we can say task queue dot enqueue. And now we need to add here a task. And task is of type iTask. So let's look inside here, and inside the types, this is where I'm keeping the type, and this is iTask. It's an interface with two properties, action and payload. Action is string and payload is an object. So let's create a task. Const task is of type iTask. And let's use the quick fix. Okay, so action is action 1 and payload some object like this. And now we can add this task, enqueue it, answer it to the queue. Okay, so now we have one item in the queue, so we can now expect the length to be 1, right? Let's change it to 11 and see. Okay. Expected 1. Okay, so let's change it to 1 as, and we see that it is passing. Okay. So we have checked enqueue. Let's enqueue another one, another task. Now it should be failed because at this stage there are two items, two tasks in the queue. Okay, so not 2, not 1, 2. So let's change it to 2. Okay. Okay, now it is okay. And now so up until now we have checked length and the queue when it is empty. And now let's change the test. Few items. Length is okay. And now let's add enqueue and dequeue. Queue not empty, dequeue return correct task. So let's do like this. This is as before. But now, suppose I have another task. This will be task 1. And this will be task 2. So let's enqueue task 1. Let's enqueue task 2. Now we should have 2 items. So this should fail. Okay, so if it is 1, it's wrong, but because it should be 2.